A very good morning to all of you. We are here in Colombo and this is the Independence Square, the very historic place which was commemorated back in 1948 after Ceylon became an independent country out of the clutches of the colonial rule of the British. What is significant today is Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be arriving over here and is going to be presented with a ceremonial welcome which will be hosted by none other than the Sri Lankan President who is Anura Dissanayake. Now here if you take a look at all these preparations, a red carpet that has been rolled out for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Last minute cleaning process is taking place. We have, the armed forces who are also gathered over here who are at this point of time ready with their preparations in terms of the march past that is going to happen, the band that is going to play. In fact, if I ask my camera person to pan on the right hand side over here where there's a beautiful fountain, and on top of that fountain is the monument of the first premier of Ceylon of Sri Lanka in 1948, Don Stephen Senanayake, and he is touted to be the father of the nation of Sri Lanka. There's rich history behind this expansive structure that had been created in 1948. Up until several years ago, there was the Senate that used to gather over here. There was the House of the Representatives who used to gather over here for proceedings taking place. But since then, there has been a new building that has been built. And this is a mark of historicity. There is, in fact, a memorial that has also been set up, a museum to take you back into the history, the freedom struggle of Sri Lanka. But the key moment over here, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit that is highly anticipated. There's heavy security all around. Like I said, the armed forces of the Sri Lankan country are at this point of time gathered over here. We are going to see a ceremonial welcome, but besides the ceremonial welcome, after that, the Prime Minister will be escorted by the Sri Lankan government, by the President of Sri Lanka to the Presidential Secretariat, which is just a few blocks away, where they are going to sit together and hold those restricted talks. I'll get you all the information that we get. We'll get you all the visuals, all these beautiful arrangements that have been set up. So stay tuned on NewsX.